Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel or shortcut menu. And on this panel or this menu, you should see the settings icon. Tap on it. And in settings, you should see the brightness option. Tap on it to select it. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So we can raise it or lower it by tapping on the buttons. And once you're done, you can either press the side button or swipe up on the screen to go back. Like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.